Hello, Hunter is back for a quick review about the new Kingdom Pass on this February. Ang dami-dami ko nang sinasabi. So, on this video, we're all gonna talk about the new Kingdom Pass. So, ready ka na ba na makuha ang bagong exclusive na costume? Tingnan mo itong picture na may isang dragon na mount na sumasayaw. O costume para sa ating karakter. Cute at awesome pa. So wala ka ng dahilan na hindi bilhin ang bagong Kingdom Pass. Dahil it's only 4,999 diamonds. Kung wala ka namang diamonds, meron din tayong paraan dyan. Kailangan mo lang puntahan ang exchange center at meron ka makikitang diamond column. Then purchase. That's all for the video for today. Like and subscribe.